Before we start this Consumer Compute, just wanted to let you know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also get a Patreon account, sign up for free. Hey guys, this is Consumer Compute here, and I have another budget phone that's come out in 2024, under $160. You can, at the time of this video, purchase this at Metro by T-Mobile. This phone isn't currently offered, at least in my market, through T-Mobile yet. So again, 160, it retails for $160. It's the TLC 50 XL 5G, so it's a 5G phone. Pretty much it's got a 6.7 inch FHD plus screen, 120 hertz, 50 megapixel hybrid camera, 5,000 megahertz battery. It charges at 18 watts, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and supposedly the processor is an 8 times bit processor. So we look on the side of the box, we got a TLC here, 50 XL 5G. Inspire greatness. I don't know. We're going to find out if this phone is going to inspire greatness. Currently, I was able to purchase this phone through Metro by T-Mobile. I did do a pretty much a port over a line. I ported over a Google Voice number, so I paid the $3 to unlock the Google Voice number. And I ported over my Google Voice number and paid $40 straight out. I think, at least with this deal, it's better off to buy this phone online by Metro by T-Mobile. Reason for is, one, they're not charging an activation fee of the time of this video, and as long as you pay the $40 a month plan, potentially this phone is 100% free, besides paying for service. So I did pay the $40 for this month. Again, Metro by T-Mobile is a prepaid company, and they charge you by the month, but there's no contractual obligation to have this in service for more than a month. In saying that, though, to get this phone unlocked, you have to activate the phone, and it takes 180 days, so almost 6 months to get the phone unlocked. All right, on that note, why don't we unbox this phone? So we have 2 security strips right here. There, slide that up. The box is pretty hefty compared to other boxes that I've opened up this year. And let's take a look. Slide the box over. All right, so first things first, don't see any actual paper over the box. We do have the phone itself. I'm just going to slide this phone over here for a minute. The other big thing that I'm finding out is that, at least in the shipment, I didn't get a SIM card. So I'm hoping the SIM card is actually in the phone. So we got cardboard boxing. I'm just going to throw this over here. We have a warranty manual. I believe this is the safety and regulations manual, information. And I just slide that over here. Then we have this quick start guide. So it's giving you pretty much everything that you need in here. It does have an SD card slot as well as a SIM card. I believe this phone does fast charge. Not too sure if it has wireless charging built in. I do appreciate the colored manual. Definitely shows you how to get up and starting. All right, on that note, I don't think everybody's here to see this, but I'm just going to throw this away. We do have a USB USB-A to USB-C charger that comes in the box. That's great. And also, if I'm not mistaken, hopefully this is an 18-watt charger. That would be nice if it's a fast charger. looking into this. If I can't find it right now, what I'll do is I'll add it into the video later. But at least TLC is giving you a charger with this phone. Appreciated that. Keep on doing that. More phone companies should be doing that in 2024. Only because, hey, look, what if this is your first phone and you don't have a charger? You got to pay more money. First thing I am going to do is I'm just going to open up here because I am praying that we have a SIM card installed in the phone. No. So this might be actually a problem, at least for me, because in that package I didn't get a SIM card at all. Well, maybe they're thinking that I'm gonna activate this using an eSIM. That stinks. All right. On that note, though, here we have the TLC 50XL. If we're looking at this, nice screen. Right here, we got the microphone jack. We have the volume up and down rocker. We have the power button, and we have a USB-C charger, charging slot, and we have the microphone and headphone jack. Now, looking at this, we also have our main 50 megapixel camera, as well as the macro and micro cameras, as well as a flashlight, and it looks like maybe some type of sensor. Looking here, we got 15 megapixel hybrid camera. It's kind of pretty flashy. It's got this like rubberized feeling back. I do like the color of it. On that note, I'm gonna hopefully turn this phone on, and I'm just kind of confused because I do not see any SIM card with the box. I'm just gonna go back and take a look. Here we go. We have the screen here. What I'll do is I'm going to stop the recording and I will come back and look at the phone itself once it's up and running. All right, so as I was opening this up, the big thing that I did find out that if you are going to activate this, you purchase the phone online through Metro by T-Mobile, they are going to activate it via eSIM, which that's fine. The nice thing too is what I was able to find is that able to stick in one of my T-Mobile SIM cards into this phone and was able to use service through the other IMEI number just using the SIM card. All right, one other thing that I did find out, this phone does not have wireless charging, but I definitely like the aspect ratio of the phone. It's a pretty tall phone. Also, I think I really want to compare this phone with the Moto G 5G in 2024. If we're really looking at it, pretty much it's a very decent comparison. This one here has the full leather, where this does have like a full leather feeling, but it also feels a little like glossy. It's the best way to explain it, where this one just feels more like the leather. On that note, though, I can't really compare cameras as of right now just because I just got the phone. But real simple, this screen here does have 120 hertz refresh rate. It does have a built-in fingerprint scanner right here. It does also have a, we're looking in here, it does also have, SIM card slot, as well as room for more storage. For $160, I really do think at the moment that we're definitely gonna have a good setup, and maybe actually a phone that might actually beat the Samsung A15 5G, which I think this is the best phone right now in 2024. Affordably wise, you can actually pick this up if you go on Amazon, unlocked for about 160 bucks. On that note, as I'm looking at this, I just want to thank you guys very much. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing if you already haven't. And I do have a Patreon account. Sign up as a free member. I do have a paid tier, which is for $1 membership a month. And that's just to support my channel. So hopefully I can pay for some of these devices where I can show you guys before you buy them. So again, what do you guys think? Do you think that this TLC 50XL 5G might be a decent phone for the price? Now, if you're thinking about getting a phone from Metro by T-Mobile, right now this is a pretty good deal. Hurry up, grab it while you can, because for now, as long as you add a line or you put in a number and add a line, you get this phone for free. So leave down in the comments what you guys think about this phone, especially a phone that offers the screen size, the hertz, the battery, as well as 6 gigs of RAM, as well as 128 gigabytes of storage. We'll have to see how it really works out. I think TLC is at least offering 1 update and 2 security patches. Not exactly too sure. But on that note, I'm going to leave you guys. This is Consumer Compute, and I'll see you in my next video. The video that YouTube thinks you would like.